Hina lived in a small house at the edge of a deep forest, sharing it with her unkind stepsister Jamila. Each morning Hina found a shiny silver coin under her pillow, a mystery she cherished. New clothes would appear in her wardrobe, always just her size, as if made for her alone. The pantry never emptied, fresh bread or apples would appear overnight. Hina shared these gifts, but Jamila only grew more envious. Every evening a white dove visited Hina's windowsill, silent but comforting. Hina felt a deep connection to the dove, believing it was behind the magic in her life. Jamila, noticing the gifts in the dove, became suspicious and resentful. The quiet magic brought Hina hope, even as Jamila's jealousy grew. The dove's visits became the highlight of Hina's days. Hina wondered about her secret friend, grateful for the kindness she received. The house, though simple, was filled with small wonders, but Jamila's envy cast a shadow over Hina's happiness. One afternoon, Hina ventured into the forest for firewood. The woods, usually lively, were eerily silent. As she walked, whispers drifted through the leaves. "Be careful, Hina, danger is near." Shadows flickered at the edge of her vision, vanishing as she turned. The forest, once friendly, now felt watchful and protective. Hina hurried, gathering wood quickly, her heart pounding. The whispers grew urgent. "Someone with a dark heart watches you." She sensed the forest was warning her, urging her to leave. Back home, the unease lingered. Hina glanced at the window, hoping for the dove's calming presence. The woods held secrets, and Hina felt their weight. She wondered who watched her, and why. The forest's warning echoed in her mind. Jamila's suspicion turned to obsession as she watched Hina's every move. She noticed the gifts, the coins, and the dove's nightly visits. Determined to uncover the secret, Jamila spied on Hina late into the night. As midnight struck, the white dove landed on the windowsill. In the moonlight, the dove shimmered and transformed into a radiant princess. The princess gazed at Hina with love and sorrow before turning back into a dove and flying away. Jamila, hidden in the shadows, gasped in shock. Now she knew the dove was a magical princess, the source of Hina's fortune. Greed filled Jamila's heart. She wanted the magic for herself. The secret was out, and Jamila's envy burned brighter. She plotted to claim the princess's power. Hina slept peacefully, unaware of Jamila's discovery. The moonlit secret changed everything. Jamila's greed drove her to act. She tried to steal Hina's coins, but they burned her fingers. Dresses tore when she tried them on, and food turned bitter. The magic rejected her, sensing her dark intentions. Undeterred, Jamila decided to capture the dove. That night she dressed in black and waited. When the dove appeared and flew into the forest, Jamila followed. The dove's silvery glow guided her deep into the woods. Ignoring the forest's warnings, Jamila pressed on. Shadows closed in as she chased the dove. The forest seemed to hold its breath, danger thick in the air. Jamila's pursuit led her into the heart of the mystery. The secret of the dove and Jamila's fate hung in the balance.